All right, we're looking at numbers 25 and 26 right now. These are pretty in detail problems. Probably the toughest of the problems that we have on the study guide. So what I'm going to do is take a look at 25 on your study guide. It says, I'm going to go ahead and put it in here on the Desmos. I'm going to put y is greater than, we have negative x plus 1. So notice it graphs our equation right there. Go down here to the next one. We're going to put in y is greater than 1 over 3, and then I'm going to get to the right of that. X, delete, x minus 3. So notice here, that's our equations for the two that we put in. Minimize that. Now we can see this whole graph here. Notice we have this light blue, and we have this red, and we have this darker area. So the darker area is actually where all the solutions are going to be. That's where, essentially, you're going to see on the quiz tomorrow, if it's going to ask for write 3 coordinates that are part of the solution set to the system of inequality shown. So if you zoom in here, really all of these things, every single point up here are solutions. So, if you look at 2, 2, that's a solution. 4, 2, that's a solution. 4, 0 is a solution. 6, 0 is a solution. Literally anything up here. 6, 6 is a solution. 8, 4 is a solution. What I would do is, because tomorrow you're going to be given some points, you can check those points. Go ahead and just put in those points. So let's put in 4, 4. And then we can label it. The great thing about Desmos, you can label things. So we're going to put label and label that as A. So notice now, look, A is inside this double shaded area. It's blue and red combined to get this double shaded area. A is inside there, so A is a solution. So that's really what it comes down to, is you just put in all of your coordinates that they give you on the quiz and make sure they're in that double shaded area. So let's look at number 26. So I'm going to exit out. And let's go ahead and put in 26. You should have your study guide, but I'm going to plug it in. So y is greater than negative 3x plus 1. And we go to the bottom, and it says y is greater than or equal to x minus 3. So notice here, again, we kind of zoom out a little bit. Those are the lines right there, our linear graphs. Those are inequalities. If you look at our graph here, notice we have since this is black, this is purple, and you can tell this is the double shaded area right here because it's darker than all the other ones. This is the purple and the black combined. So when you zoom in, again, you don't have to zoom in, but these are all of your solutions. So if you look here, some possible solutions. 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, 3. Even here, 3, 0, because that's on a solid line right there, at 3, 0, that would be a solution. But if you look at one like this, at 0, 1, because that's on a dotted line, that actually is not a solution. So knowing the difference between being on a solid line and being on a dotted line is a big ordeal. But again, all of these are solutions. Again, that's how you do 25 and 26 on the quiz. They're going to give you the solutions. You just go in and put the solutions in here. So parentheses 4, 2. Look, it pops up right there. If I'm going to label it A, I'm going to do another one. Parentheses negative 2, I don't know, 1. Notice, label here, I'm going to label that B. Oh, nope. Label that B. Okay, if you look here, A is a solution because it's inside the double shaded area. B is not a solution because it's not inside the double shaded area. So when you put in all of your solutions, make sure they're all inside that double shaded area. Again, hopefully this helps. I know this was a longer video, but this is one of the more deeper questions to answer. So again, feel free to comment, ask questions tomorrow in class. But this is one thing we stress that you need to know for this quiz and for the test, which will be the following Friday. All right. Again, like, subscribe, tell people about it, and we'll catch you later.